What's up, creative fam? Welcome to the text effect series with Adobe Illustrator, and in today's video we'll be learning how to create the 3D cylinder text effect. But before we get started, I'd like to remind you to please subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Don't forget to leave a comment and also like this video. I'll start by creating a text and I'll type I am awesome. And then I'm going to make a duplicate of that text, holding Alt, click and drag. I'll change this one to my name and use a different font. Montserrat bold. I'll reduce the size as well. 36. And then I'm going to slightly increase the tracking. Let's say 10. So the tracking is the horizontal space between the alphabets. And for this one, I'm just going to type one rubbish thing like that. Yes, and also change it to Montserrat. Medium. I reduce the size, very tiny. Let's be 14, and the tracking should be about 700. Too small. Let's try 1000. Okay. I think it needs more S's. Okay. Okay, I'm going to make a duplicate of this text here. So when you're resizing, make sure to hold your shift key. I should probably increase the space between them. And then I'm going to select both of them and open my symbol window. I can simply click on this plus icon right here, this one, or I could just drag the text from here up to this point, and I'm going to name it awesome. Once again, because I am awesome. Okay, what next? Yeah, we're going to create a rectangle. So it's the rectangle that we're going to use to create the effect. So head on to effects and then 3D and revolve. So it's going to give you something like this, and then you head on to map parts. So make sure that your surface is 3 out of 3, and that's because you want to apply the text, or the symbol rather, to the sides and not to the top or to the bottom. So this right here is the top, which is surface 2 out of 3, and surface 1 is the bottom. So make sure your surface is on 3 out of 3, and then your symbol selection should be the symbol that you created. So I named my awesome, and I'm just going to click on this invisible geometry option, and I'm going to scale the text like so. I feel like it's too big. Okay, and then from here I could actually just see there is a gap here. I'll go back to map art and try to cover up the let's see. I think this is perfect. Hold on. Okay, this is perfect. So you can just change the position of your revolve. This is actually fun. Like, you could just keep going and watch it rotate. And then when you want to animate it, it's super sweet to watch. But let's see. Okay, so I really don't have to make mine perfect. I'm just trying to show you how it's actually done. Slight change. I think this is okay. Then when you're done, just click on OK. So just head on to Objects, Expand Appearance, and then Clipping Mask, Release. So when you do that, you're going to right click on the outlines of the extruded rectangle. So these outlines you can see here, you're going to right click on them and ungroup, and you're going to have to do that a couple of times, and then we're going to try deleting the outlines. Let's see, this one will go off. Okay, it did. So if you hover your cursor over this area right here, it's going to eventually land on one of the outlines, and then you can take it off. Let's see if there's anyone left. Okay, one is left here. And then if you make a selection and all the outlines are off, it's only the text that's going to be selected, then you can right click and group. So when you group, you can resize holding your shift key, you can rotate, and you can also change the color. And then you don't actually need this and delete it. So this is what comes out of it, basically.
Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, okay, so you get more content like this. Thank you.